Hey guys, Kirk here from Trios51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook Messenger app to your website. Now to do this, you'll need your Facebook page already live, and we'll also be using Google Tag Manager. Step number 1, you'll need to get your Facebook ID. To do this, log into Facebook, go to your About section, and go scroll to the bottom to your ID. So here I am. All you do is go to your Facebook page. On the left-hand side, you see the tabs. Scroll down to where it says About, and then scroll to the very bottom of the page, and here you'll see your page ID. Copy that into your document. Step 2, you're going to whitelist your domain. So go back to Facebook, go to Settings, and then go to Messenger Platform. So here's my Facebook page, and go to Settings. On the left-hand side, you see Messenger Platform, select it. And then go to the bottom where it says Whitelist Domains, and add the domain. Now make sure you add it in both ways, both HTTPS and HTTP. And then select Save. Step 3, we actually skipped this step, so I updated the document. You're going to want to turn on your live chat via Facebook. So it should already be at this page. If not, just go to Facebook Settings, Messenger Platform, and scroll to the bottom. So here we are, we're in Facebook, Messenger Settings, and we're going to the bottom where it says Customer Chat Plugin. Select Setup, and then follow the steps. This is where you can decide what you want the message to say. So the greetings by default, hey, how can we help you? If you want any responses, it's here. If you want to change any color schemes, you can do that here as well. Go ahead and select Next. Make sure that the right domains are in here, so let's go ahead and add the other domain and select Finish. In this next part, you'll need to create a Facebook app ID. So to do this, you'll go to developers.facebook.com and you'll sign up for an account. Now, I already have an account, it's free, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new app so you can see what this process looks like. So I'm going to say Add New App. I will give this a name. I will call this Demo123 and then select Create App ID. Follow the steps to get through the sign-up process. And on top here, you can see what the app ID is. You're going to go ahead and click Copy that. Now, when you sign up, it may show you another screen. It may say, what is this used for? If it does say that, there should be an option that says website, www. Select that and put in your domain. In this next part of the video, we're going to be setting up Google Tag Manager. So to do this, we're going to set up a trigger and a tag. So log in to Google Tag Manager and select Triggers, select New, and on top, give this a name that's easy to remember. We'll call this Chat Launch, and then select the icon in the center, and on the right-hand side where it says Page View, select DOM Ready, and then select Save. Next, we're going to be setting up our Google Tag Manager tag. So I'll take you back to this screen, go to the left-hand side where it says Tags, and select Tags. From here, select New. And on top, make sure to give this a clear name, so I'm going to call this the Chat Tag. And where it says Tag Configuration, you're going to put Custom HTML. So select this circle icon, scroll to the bottom where it says Custom HTML. And now, we're going to put in this strip of code. And I'll put this in a link in the video, so it'll be easy for you to gather. On top here, where these parts are highlighted, you'll be changing. So this is my Facebook page ID, and this is my Facebook app ID. You'll just copy this code, and you'll paste it into Google Tag Manager. And then you select Save. This message will pop up, and you'll say Add Trigger. And then you're going to select Chat Launch, and then select Add, and then select Save. In this next part, we're going to be adding Google Tag Manager to the website. If you've already done this, you can go ahead and skip ahead. If you haven't done it, here are the steps. Log into Google Tag Manager, go on top and select Admin, and then on the right-hand side where it says Install Google Tag Manager, you'll click that tab. You'll be given 2 codes. You'll need to place it in the head and body of your website. So I'll go ahead and do that. I have a free WordPress plugin that I've installed on my website called Head, Footer, and Post Injections. That makes this process pretty straightforward for me, so I'm just going to copy and paste the codes. And then I'm going to go to the bottom and say Save. And now my codes have been added to my website. Now we are in the testing portion of our video. So what we want to do is have the chat box show up here, but first we need to test it. So you'll go to Google Tag Manager, and on top you're going to select Preview. This will enable Google Tag Manager to show you a default view. So let that screen load. Alright, now we're in preview mode, so all you have to do is refresh your website. When you refresh your website in preview mode, you're going to see a Google Tag Manager box appear on the bottom. It's going to show you all the tags that are firing and what's on the website. So give this a moment to load, and you can see automatically the Google Tag Manager is shown up, and it says custom HTML fired one time. So where is it? All you have to do is go to the right hand side and click this drop down arrow, and there you go. There's our Facebook bot. So this is past our test, but remember we're in test mode, so now you need to push this live. So go back to Google Tag Manager, and on the right hand side you're going to see the option that says submit. Now if you do not see this button, it is most likely because you're not the admin on the account, so you'll need admin access, you'll need someone to share that with you from Google Tag Manager. So go ahead, select submit, and write down what this is. So we set up our Facebook chat, then select publish, and that's it, guys. Now Facebook is live on your website. If you like this video, please give us a like below, and if you have any ideas on next videos, please leave us a comment and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.